Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming essentials: Windows version, user admin privileges, and that PowerShell. EXE exists in System 32. Open Task Manager and try Run New Task PowerShell. EXE as administrator. This isolates permission problems. If that fails immediately, temporarily disable third-party antivirus or Windows Defender controlled folder access, because these often block executable launches. Once done, make sure File Explorer and System 32 permissions look normal. Incorrect ACLs stop PowerShell. Next, repair system components that PowerShell depends on. You run sfc/scano and then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix corrupted system files. These commands target the root causes. Then, reset PowerShell user state by renaming or moving the Microsoft PowerShell profile. PS1 file in your Documents /Windows PowerShell folder, because a bad profile script can crash the shell. Also open Event, Viewer, and Filter application logs for NET or PowerShell errors to identify a failing module or extension to. Finally, if built-in PowerShell still will not open, install PowerShell 7 Core, side by side from the Microsoft Store or using the MSI to confirm whether the problem is host-specific. Create a new local admin user and try launching there. A successful launch means it's a per-user configuration issue. If problems persist system-wide, boot to safe mode to rule out drivers or startup apps. If safe mode works, progressively re-enable services to pinpoint the conflicting item. This single change usually reveals the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.